As you experience today your Maryknoll experience, it is with great pride that we welcome you.
I would just like to say how great it has been for me so far to be a Maryknoll Spartan, and I hope that I have shown you a glimpse of our values here at Maryknoll School.
One of the takeaways was faith. Incorporating that into a child, because it's a big foundation that children need to get through life.
Thank you so much for those of you who are able to make today's open house. We're so excited to share our Maryknoll experience with you. For those who weren't able to attend, please call us, check us out on our website. We'd love to help you through your journey through the admissions process and hope to make that right fit between school and student. Thanks so much.